In this video, I'm going to solve an application problem that has to deal with a quadratic. And it says here that you have 254 square feet of fabric to make a circular play parachute for kids. And so think a big circle piece of fabric. What would be the radius? So the radius is from the center of your circle out to the edge. What is the length from the middle to the outer edge of the largest parachute that you could make? And then it says round to the nearest tenth of a foot, so meaning 1 decimal place. So if 254 square feet is what I have, square feet meaning I have this much, and I want to think of what circle could fit in there if I just kind of cut the corners and round them off. So area of a circle is pi times your radius squared. And I know the area of the fabric that I have is 254 equal to pi, which is 3.14, and on, times my radius squared. So what I want to do is solve for the radius that I could have. So I'm going to think about this number as 3.14, and I'm going to use that to round. So I'm going to divide the pi so that I can solve for my radius. So on my calculator, I'm going to take 254 and divide by 3.14. And I get, with my decimal here, 80 point, now I'm going to give a couple decimal places here, 8, 9, I'm going to go round 2 here. And that's roughly what my radius square could be. So to get my radius, I need to square root both sides. And when you apply a square root, don't forget that we want to apply a plus and minus. So I'm going to take the square root of 80.892. And this is what I could get for my radius. Positive and negative 8.99994. And since I'm actually dealing with a parachute, the negative won't make sense. So I'm going to disregard that. And so I'm going to have 8.99, which is going to round up to roughly 9 feet for my radius. Here we go.